What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a little update on the hurricane here in Florida. We only got a few outer bands so far, and even on a normal rainstorm now, our neighborhood floods, and there's lots of fish that go in the street, and no one can save them except for me because I'm basically the only kid in the neighborhood, whatever. So, let's get into it. First of all, we got about a 5-foot long fish net. Nothing too pretty about it, just a normal net. Second of all, we've got the cooler to get the fish in with a bubbler attached to it so the fish can breathe with oxygen. And then we have the fish trap, of course, with the best bait on earth. Temptations tuna flavor. It is the literal best bait. Catches everything, including turtles, which we might catch tomorrow. I don't know. That's God's plan. And then over here, we have my very long, goofy waders that might look weird on me. If you're wondering how this fish trap works, there's this hole, right? And once the fish swim in, they can't get out because of the other side and the previous side that they went in. There's a net right here, and it blocks them from getting back out, so they have no idea what's going on. And then I pull the trap out of the water, and they are saved. So if you were wondering if I had any pets, I do. I have a turtle that my friends gave me. Isn't he cute? He loves the camera. He's very excited for the hurricane. Here, buddy, you want some food? Got turtle food right here. Aquatic turtle food. Just gonna feed him a little bit. He loves it. It's pretty much all he eats besides spinach. His water's getting pretty low. Okay, let's move on to the next pet. Next, we have my chameleon, and I didn't even see her. She's right there on this little plant that we have out in the patio. She lives in there, and when she gets scared, she goes in that little cave right there. She loves it. Oh, hi, girl. Love you. Okay, now the third and final pet, I'll get into that in a little bit. Last pet that I have is my horned frog, also known as a Pac-Man frog. He's very vicious. He likes to bite people. And he just digs a hole in the ground and sits there all day. Hi, buddy. There we go. Also, if you were wondering the names of my pets, my turtle over there is Dr. Seuss Jamal Jr., which my friends named because I had to keep the name or else they wouldn't give him to me. I named my chameleon Zilla. Where is she? Oh, she's down in her little cave. Right there. I don't know if you can see her, but oh, she's getting mad. Oh, shoot. Okay, and my frog's name over there is Meatball because he's fat like any other horned frog. Okay, The next footage you'll see is me at the creek. There it is. It's probably gonna be flooded in a few hours. The water's making some process on the creek. It's gonna get a little bit higher probably in the next few hours. So another band's about to hit us right over there. It's gonna be epic. There's a lot of, I don't know if you can see, but there's 2 tilapia right there just sitting on top of the water. It looks like a mating pair. And then down here, let's see, there's a lot of vines, but it gets all the way to like mid-waist, so the water, it's pretty high. Last time it got up to the bottom of the bridge, so I'll keep an update. I don't know if you can see, as I was walking back, there's a little frog in there. You see him? He's about right there at the edge of my fingernail. Right there. He's very big. You just can't see him that much. Just to keep the content up, I'm gonna pop up a picture right here in the corner of last time's flooding of the creek. It was way worse than you would ever imagine. It's pretty bad, so I'll keep an update. I don't want to talk too much, so peace out. Guys, it is crazy out here. Almost every oak tree on our street is down, including our new one. I'm wearing goggles, it's so crazy. Look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other side. This is wild. It's gonna get even worse. Look at that. Okay, so the creek wasn't flooded, so I'm here at a different spot, and I'm using my fish trap with the bait. Some of it fell out. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I'm gonna set it over here. Right over there. So, keep you updated. So as I was driving down the golf cart in this ditch, I found this turtle, and I'm gonna relocate him into a pond. Isn't that crazy? He's so cute. Here. There he is. Let's do this. So we're probably just gonna bring him like down to a lake or pond or something that he can have more water in, and he'll finally have his dream home again. This is crazy. I saw him from like a mile away all the way back there, and just it was wild. Stay tuned.
Get over there.
So we're probably just gonna relocate him in this little pond. I'm just gonna jump that ditch right there, and he'll be safe. So we got this guy here. We're just gonna put him in this lake right here, and hopefully, he finds his new home. Go, buddy. Go. He's not going. Huh. Go, buddy. Go! Go, buddy, go! He's He's not going yet. Oh, I'm just gonna bring him over here. Shoot, okay. He might go. I'm just gonna leave him there. Oh, that was crazy. Bye, buddy. I love you. See you in the lake. Looks like we're gonna get him in this lake over here. So, he would have never made it over that fence. But here we go. Bye, buddy. See ya. I saved you. I saved you. There he is. His head just popped out. Bye, buddy. Woo! That was crazy. Okay, guys. Here's the third turtle that we've found so far. I don't know how this happened. Oh, buddy. But we might keep him. I don't know. This is crazy. Wrecked the house, got the turtle. We're putting him in the huge, like, backyard lake. Just gonna scooch in. Stay tuned. Bye, buddy. See you.